Softing.
In this video, we are going to explain how to configure and use the cloud feature of eXport PC software. Ensure eXport Cloud Enterprise is installed in the server before proceeding. Go to the Cloud menu on the menu bar. Select Connect. Enter the IP address and port number of the network eXport Cloud Enterprise is connected to. Enter the login email ID and password of the project manager or the technician. Click the Login button to continue. Go to the Cloud menu on the menu bar and select File View. On the File View window, the Server Files pane displays the files that are currently in the server that are uploaded from WireXpert. This can only be accessed by the project manager. And the Local LBT Files pane displays the label list files that are saved in the workstation. The directory of the LBT files can be configured by going to the Settings menu and select LBT File Directory. To download site results uploaded from WireXpert, select the files to be downloaded from the Server Files pane, and click the Download Files button. The downloaded site results can be found in Downloaded Files folder in the directory configured for LBT and can now be imported to eXport PC software. Select Files from the Server Files pane and click the Delete Files from Server to permanently delete the selected files from the server. Note that deleted files are permanently erased will not be retrievable. To upload LBT files to the server, select the files on the Local LBT Files pane and click the Upload LBT to Server button. To view the uploaded files, select an Expand View of to Device on the Server Files pane, and select Files from the Local LBT Files and click the Delete Files from Local button to permanently delete the files from the local workstation. Note that deleted files are permanently erased will not be retrievable. Click the File Transfer button to transfer site results or LBT files from one user to another user. Select an Expand View of the user from the Server Files pane on the File Transfer window and select the files to be transferred. Select the users to receive the files on the Destination Users pane. Click the Copy Files button to copy the files, or move files to permanently relocate the files to the destination users. This option can only be accessed by the project manager. Go to Cloud menu on the menu bar and select Log Out. Click the Log Out button to disconnect eXport from the eXport Cloud network. Have a look at the other videos or visit our website to explore the other various features of WireXpert. Thanks for watching.